Alright, bro, I'm back.
Okay. Sorry, I had to leave real quick. Oh, crap. Wait.
Okay,
I accidentally joined my friend.
Okay, I'll just invite you again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I can just join.
Oh, okay. Alright, you ready to start?
Oh, no, never mind.
We ready to start?
Yeah.
Alright, everybody, don't forget, if you're new, hit the subscribe button, drop a like on the video if you enjoy. Let's get right into this.
What he said.
What he said, yeah. What I said. Listen to me.
Oh my god, everyone's your level.
Is that a good thing?
No, it makes it easy.
Dude, apparently my level is, like, harder for me. I'm, like,
You're
lagging.
like 5.
We'll probably be doing a lot of videos with Colt Force in on this channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to me, subscribe to his channel. It should be linked down below in the description, as well as my brother's channel, Hawkturb Gaming, Hawkturb 78 Gaming. Everybody go subscribe to that too. And yeah, enjoy the video. I don't like this dude's snake. This dude's snake is like a bully.
The ostrich in your video?
Oh yeah, that one video. There's like, I don't like that ostrich. That ostrich was really annoying.
Bro, I have 10 kills.
Dude, you're so good.
Yeah. Finally, they killed me.
Dude, is this snake still attacking me? Dude, the snake isn't even attacking me right now.
Got him.
Oh, dude, there are people hiding up on the roof.
I know. I know how to get to them.
Yeah, same.
I
You
still
just
did
use
my
your
rocket
explosives. I just killed one because they had their head poking out.
I'm like a really good sniper. That's a 3-shot, so I'm able to get them real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy's up here.
Up where? Oh, yeah, up there.
Not how you rocket jump.
I'm getting some kills. I don't think I've got 10 because, you know, I'm not very good at this game.
I have 15.
Nice.
Yeah. Bro, they're hiding up there. I'm gonna get them.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to change my weapon. To my rocket jumping weapon.
I'm trying to find you.
I'm up here.
Oh, you're actually up there?
Yeah. I haven't killed them. Come on. Hey.
Oh, no, I just fell.
Boy.
Stop falling. I'm going to make it up here. Alright, I'm up. No, damn.
I killed myself.
I just killed myself, too.
Woo! 21 kills.
Dude, you're cracked. If you can't hear him very well or anything, he's recording this too. He's gonna post it up on his channel. So,
yeah.
Everybody go watch his video too.
Yes, please.
Yes, please, and thank you,
No one
sir.
up here.
Yes, sir, and thank you, please.
Got a kill.
Oh, let's go. Alright, that's first round.
I'm 4th in my league.
Yeah.
Go on, do that again?
Yep, just push. I'm just gonna push go battle. And are you back into a game?
Yeah. I think I got the first kill. Yeah.
These dudes are probably Fortnite noobs.
Headshot. You're right here.
Oh, dang. Did you just see me get, like, insane eliminated? Eliminationated is a word now, by the way.
God, so many noobs. I'm sorry, but there are a lot.
Why are you apologizing?
Cause I don't want to like show hate or any controversy in my videos.
Oh, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, me neither.
I'm wrecking them with my rocket jumper.
Yeah.
No! I thought you died.
Come up from beside and shoot him in the butt cheeks.
The butt.
The butt cheeks.
Yeah.
Is that your chicken running around, Isaiah?
Yeah.
I should have just known that, you know? I should have just naturally assumed that there's a chicken running around. Oh, it's Isaiah's.
It's gotta be mine.
Dang, bro. Laser. Dang it, I hit him for headshots. So many headshots, but he got it. He got it. Got it. You might have heard some words in the background of my mic. That's just, my brother. I think he's playing Fortnite. So just, ignore that. Pretend you never heard it.
Okay.
Squidward in a chair.
Oh God.
These plebiscites. Why is it showing their arrows above their heads?
I can like mark them with my gun.
Oh, so that's what that is.
Yeah.
That makes more sense.
Oh well.
I don't have no ammo. Gotta use my pistol. Oh, dang. GG's everybody.
Yeah. I'm second place in my league.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Wait, I need to meet you.
Alright, should we hop into another game? Oh crap, I misclicked. We're in another game anyway.
Still, I gotta talk to my mom.
Okay, no problem.
But he just came in
What?
today. He just came in today, I said. Do you remember Andrew?
Yeah.
You should see his channel, it's really good.
What's his channel?
Catman?
Alright, everybody go subscribe to Catman then.
Oh, I'm dead. I think it's kind of weird how, after you like already kill them, they also kill you too.
Yeah, like with grenades or something?
Yeah, but they also shoot me too after.
Nani?
Did we do like a 1v1?
No, you're definitely too experienced for me to 1v1 you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna mark them.
Dude, they're already still marked for me.
Really?
Yeah, bro, your marks like never end.
For me, it ends when I kill them.
It's just the
Oh,
stupid
crap.
app that I got. This is that.
Delete it.
Well,
Oh, what was that?
I gotta keep recording. Alright, I muted my mic for a second. I'm back.
Yeah. You really did mute it? Because I still heard.
Nani?
Oh! What a snipe.
Well, I muted it for all of the viewers, I think.
Yeah.
Kid, this kid is so dead. This kid, please? No, oh, never mind, I died. Okay.
Dude, I'm so good. I mean, like, not to brag or anything. Because it really sounds like I am.
Not really.
Is it like a fact?
Yeah.
Okay, I got here once.
Yo, how many kills you got?
I know, like 14.
Nice.
I'm like carrying the whole server, kinda.
The whole server. Professional pixel gun player.
I do. I have double jump, so it's kind of easier to parkour. Oh crap, I'm dead.
I didn't even know that was a thing in this game. Double jump?
Yeah, it's like a type of boost.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Oh, I'm at 3 health, and I got 2 kills. 3 HP.
Gee, blob.
Oh, okay, now I'm dead.
Oh, let's go. Dude, I bet
Oh,
you're
dude,
gonna have like...
I'm first. I'm first in my league.
I'm not even
Yeah, I
surprised.
went back to squads.
What?
I went back to squads. I left the game.
How?
No, I just left.
Oh, to squad. Okay. Yeah, I've never actually been in like a party with somebody else in this game before. Yo, you want to do like a different map?
Yeah. You want to join me?
Oh, did you like left the squad?
Yeah.
Okay. I hate these ads. I'm literally recording. Chill.
I know. In your one of your videos, your Among Us one, your new one, there's like an ad in the middle.
Yeah, I
On your
know. The
thumbnail.
freaking thumbnail is an ad. I'm like, I'm really annoyed because of it because I don't know how to make my own thumbnails.
Where are you?
I'm still
I can't-
loading. I'm still loading back.
Oh. I'm so close to getting 220 coins. I'm at
Nice.
230.
Oh, nice.
Once I do that, I'll be able to get the solar ray rifle, I think.
Huh.
Wait, did I end my recording thing?
I don't know. Did it?
Oh, crap.
Tell me you didn't forget to hit record.
No, it ended.
Dang.
We're gonna have to record again.
Oh, hey, bro. I got clans now. I can join your clan.
Really? Oh, nice.
I think.
Here, I need mute you real quick.
Okay.
I did my intro.
Oh, okay.
I was also like, subscribe to this kid. Yeah, you gonna join?
It's not letting me. Let me join, please. Please let me join. Please? I'm literally sitting here rapid tapping the join. I'm really laggy. Go into friends. Join. Okay, I joined, I think.
Yep, here you are.
Okay, I'm kinda scared, bro. Because like these players are gonna be like your skill.
Want to do battle royale?
I mean,
Okay.
not really.
If you follow me, you'll probably get a win because I kind of know this map like the back of my hand.
Yeah, boy. Oh, it says the game is unavailable. It just kicked me out again. Alright.
Here, go back. Maybe you can't do it yet?
Here, I'll invite you.
Oh, wait.
Yeah,
you should join my clan.
Yo, I'm gonna end my recording.
Why? Okay.
Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.